Hey guys, so I just want to address something that seems to be turning into something bigger than it needs to be. I've had a couple of comments regarding my video on ported vacuum and vacuum advance applications, and one gentleman has come forward and said that pretty much every car before 1969 had manifold vacuum going to the distributor, and that's patently false. I can show you that right now. It's a 1961 T-Bird. Pretty much factory original as far as the engine goes. You can see it's got the original vacuum advance line going into the original carburetor, hard line that comes around, and I've just got it connected up to my vacuum gauge at the moment, but that is definitely ported vacuum. And I'll just fire it up and you can see what happens. Now this does have a lot of exhaust leaks, so you're going to hear them without a doubt. But you can see quite clearly that that is a ported vacuum signal and not a manifold vacuum signal. So hopefully this puts to bed any argument that every car prior to 1969 came out with manifold vacuum going to the distributor. It's just not true. Anyway, just a short one. Hopefully you guys get something from it, and I'll try and put something together that's a bit more constructive and a bit more creative next time. Cheers guys, bye.